This is a 3-digit timer I made on a proto board. It's eventually going to be meant to count to 9 hours and 59 minutes. I got it set up for this test purposes with two 555 timers. One's the regular clock input, it's set to 1 second, and the other input's for setting the clock, or setting the timer, set the time on the timer. Keep thinking clock, you know. This one here sets the first 2 digits, and then this button sets the one on the most significant digit, hours or as far as this is 9 minutes and 59 seconds. Actually timed it with the setting the rheostat or the trim pot on this, and I got it close to within about a second and 10 minutes, which you're not going to really care because it's just a timer. So it's really arguable whether you really want to have an accurate time base just for a simple 3-digit timer. Eventually I'm going to do that and add a Nixie display. So I'll just go over it real quickly again. 2 timers. The top one is the timer that puts in to the first chip, that counts and then triggers the next one, and so on and so forth. Has 74192N, 7447 decoder. All of them are 74192 counters and 7447s. They have a 7400 NAND gate that makes it count, go to 5 when it wants to change back to from 0 to 9. Since it's counting down, it's set up as countdown for a timer, as you would expect it to be. I'll show you it in operation here. Here we go. Okay. This switch here will stop the timer. This right here will reset it. And then again, this first button here is for the 2 digits on the right, and the 1 button for the digit on the left. I found that worked better without having 3 separate push buttons. So to demonstrate, that's 1 minute. My thinking on this originally was that if you want to have a timer, the longest thing you might have a timer to measure would be a turkey in the oven for like 3 hours. Normally you wouldn't do it for that long, but it's just got that capability, which is, most people usually do it with 2 digits, but I just wanted to have 3 for whatever reason. But anyways, it does work pretty good this way. On the proto board it works pretty good, but once I build it, you know, it's a whole different story. It always is, right? And I want to add blanking to the zeros. I haven't figured out how to do that yet. I've tried a method where you collect one from one chip to the other. I don't know how that works. I haven't seen anybody that knows how to do that, which I want to figure that out too. Anyways, it worked good, and I want to add a Nixie display. And then I'm going to add a crystal to it too. And should be pretty simple, should work good, hopefully. It's just a matter of trial and error. Took a while to get to this point, but I like the way that this works, and that's about it.